Wakwaba Efa Emra Begum to media show on Adom TV live on DSTV channel 280, Go TV channel 119. Multi TV Big Boss is live and so you stream on all social media platforms. Following Facebook Adom TV Extra. YouTube Adom TV. Follow me on Facebook Aquasi Insia-6. Na any when Frank say Imbus Herbal Mixture Aba Ediamam, Mr. Roda, what diabetes yadi, a sichi yadi. Wako Hospital so wo a sichi yadi. Mr. Roda, Unia Imbus Herbal Mixture. Also, anyhow, cancer, hypertension, Mojamoro, ye, what you may be and candidates or by Guenmuasi, as say Wawari, as 7 Prache to one among. Unam yina tell pa body pains or bounce of some boons and Hunamania. Unia Imbus Herbal Mixture. One more 20 me NDDM. Why am bre? Uju baby a enye, wordra enye. So that people to them wow. It's as a coche, we immune system no cannot let me up quite a rodua, eba onipejo. My baby a tondo biano, o kwa sabeka be at Tobeja for Atnase, the lady Aquasi Insia. Now, before that, Ebony Fakwaba, Agrofo member of parliament, the shining star of the 21st century, the last sitting of parliament, the shining star of here woman. Ewa, what about Zuma Bibiashi? Agrofo for who ye?
Agodi ago me dey ask me the
shining star.
Every session of parliament, they all come back.
Wow.
Unya akutia star boy. Na is one ya akufo venison shining star.
Say binya akutia star boy.
Oh wana na oya akutia star boy. And it's all work I say.
Somebody we ya na.
Nyame fa na
Nyame AC. And away by everyone D. Obewie third quarter. That last
I see.
And it's Udo Christmas. Maybe during the Obia.
I will see. Adom. Me by me who no sending me when you say me ni Azuma na eba. Na me try say be free Jakpa. Aka send Zanka.
What great.
Ojo won share Adom TV no be who Azuma wa. Enti me we go say the police wa na me say afire.
Okay, so quick one. Kratabi Free Ministry of Education, signed by Dr. Clement Apak, the Deputy Minister, or say, Ministry of Education takes note of allegations of bribery in school placement. Initiate urgent investigation. The attention of the Ministry of Education has been drawn to media publications attributing allegations of bribery in the ongoing school placement process to the Member of Parliament for Akrofom, Honorable Joseph Azuma, who is reported to have said, someone who knew I was an MP came to me at Community 16, where I live, and asked me to help their child gain admission to a certain school. Within a week, the person came back with evidence showing that they had paid 30,000 Ghana cedis to secure the placement. Why are we doing this to ourselves? The Ministry of Education views these allegations and similar ones recently raised by the Secretary to the Construction and Building Workers Union of Ghana Trade Union Congress, Mr. Richard Asamoah Mensah, with the utmost seriousness and concern. Given the gravity of the claim, the Honourable Minister of Education has convened a meeting with National Security and has formally referred these and other related allegations for urgent and thorough investigation. The ministry wishes to assure the public that it is committed to maintain the highest standards of integrity, transparency and fairness in the school placement process. Any individual found to have engaged in acts of bribery, extortion or manipulation of the CSSPS will face the full rigors of the law. The ministry further urges Honorable Joseph Azuma, Mr. Richard Asamoah Mensah, and any other person with credible information or evidence to fully cooperate with national security to aid ongoing investigations. The collaborative effort is crucial to uncovering the truth and ensuring accountability. The ministry remains resolute in safeguarding the integrity of the placement process and in ensuring the process to secondary education remains free, fair, and merit-based for every Ghanaian child. Signed, Dr. Clement Apak, Deputy Minister of Education. The question I said, when you know, and he said, I say, yeah, sure, my edition, some so much. I say, Marcel Jenny, this year, war Akrofom, Honorable Joseph Azuma. Aka, I say, Obi your ban and chance of one, a man in pay school for money back, a senior high school, Ebi. ma me cross aba ne nche na otwe baako ente be ka kire se oh ma twa 30,000 ama obi ama ni pakwet mi aboma school na me pede mamba no me nsaka ministry say enye honorable Azuma nko a pani bi so aka bi pen etianam so bi ma minister no e de sansem nyina ma national security say omonye sansem hwe nebom Owura Joseph Azuma ne pani no ka no obi bi o wadanse bi afa saa de bia no emmo national security na say ni pabonefo a eji amanfo nsem sika ansa na ye de o mato ba bi o mape no yetimi atuomo ase to Honorable Joseph Azuma, Member of Parliament, Malaysia Wakro from one year when you were cracked. I'm sure I'm friends. So, Patocrat was Sakembe.
Mesakabi.
National Security Afro.
National Security Afro.
Almost a year day.
Medasi. Mamincha will be una mencha, mini penny, Messinia, so rap parliament. And then I didn't come so Asia. But very interestingly, an open amethyst or no so a presbytery.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, presbytery in Ghana. A moderator. Yes, Right Reverend Doctor. And a mamety.
Oh, okay.
Also, me a presbytery.
Oh, I see.
Sebi previous. And yet, there be a sorry about me from presbytery.
Okay.
And the Right Reverend class in India. To her who
Fly
and I say, hey, and then remember you know the shower. Now Adom. And the what to coin?
Yeah, Obeba weekend.
Obeba weekend. Obeba was this weekend. Sunday Obeba was.
Okay.
Presby, you're moderator in him. And yes, I now also your presby. I should drink camp
and council.
All right.
So, I said to me, one, we couldn't say projects now.
Well, yes. Last time, moderator the Sunday,
yeah.
No man, yes, say yes, such a.
Until next week, I saw to me back.
Men, next week, where are you? Okay, you better because there was a yes, yeah, be a best or anything.
Exactly.
I no credit, and mean, idea working kind,
okay.
Na, menso me issue be no pay. After say my TT and say my course on the idea no. Menso me issue be see me no what na me draft.
Okay.
And be a me free hand me issue menso media. Nra Deputy Minister for Education frame me apeni me senior Dr. Clement Apak. It's manumasem. And na me nim say national security so ebe frame.
Okay.
Into also name make as one chief superintendent be refined but there were or also name make as and me ready to assist because so omutie me the whole program ebia ene mani bi o ha o me hu the way am kan on ade.
Okay.
Ne kwan so ano no ministry no enyem from so.
Okay.
So me hwehwe say obi a o wadanse di efa de ekọ because ministry na nje de ekọ so no.
Yeah.
Aban na nje ho. Enu nti na ma nje ho a me ba ya me be kan ho asem. Because I was a member of parliament I wo man mu ha no. Ya regado say minim Mpese mebo abodin abro so. But how bia get me the brew say
yeah.
Obetimi aboa ma yesisi. Enti yemu bi ensem a yete e dos.
Okay.
Na mekan ho because na mate course even before you start the program no mu Adom anopa na me wa Adom FM anopa no ansa na me ba asempa the same day as asem no ye dey see e soma ye nyina ye boa som ye man ye party no but me feel say me your mind back first and ansa na me ye party ni so aka ho and me very proud of the party I say for the opportunity omodi amami amabedu ha no say and minim NDC say a party ye wa kokudura de kanokre na ye som ye mayi na ye ba power say ye be ye resetting ye de niema anko yie aban na atwam no ye de besi yie na nsem ameka ye nya nsem so ana ye titi nya nsem afi na aba nsem placement upon placement be a year by year ever. I just say obi pretend they say on the free space and I say Jupiter na baby no oye den or buy. And yet under this government. So now a statement I make I'm obi who say dear we ya na eduwa e koso. And yet
okay.
Me placement no I shall say 2005 me kai pa.
Yeah.
Because 2005 na me go senior high school. Computer school selection placement started Abraham.
Yeah.
And I did to Kumasi Secondary Technical School. And the senior high school.
Yeah.
KSTS Kumasi. And when a chance here no before no. And I man for the 9.2 who had teachers and I did this kaka.
Yeah.
And a Bible who say a problem and of the dear bear best of no the buy.
Okay.
But system no near perfect. Wouldn't mean a perfect system.
But when I fetch you, boy. So can say why you crado to cooperate with national security in the investigation. Who are dance here a backy as somehow can you say about time we could hear about 30,000 Ghana cedis a secure placement demand. But who was her dance here?
Sir, may the idea will say ya.
Okay.
Na ma nya margin say me the idea never ma who are dance here.
Debbie.
Who nya dance here? Say me bana ma send sika 30,000, 20,000 na me say sika we me send the ma obi. Hwe wo. Say wo nya idea we ma me a enye enough for dance here.
Yeah.
Because me can studio ho,
okay.
me can on the show.
Okay.
I will be a bit here na say me can say me yes and can take a screenshot nya den. Emfa ma me ana say on forward the idea nya den e ma me. Say be we ma me pani kakra. Mintimi enso ne nsa odi ade ne che because na me nim say we den ya metimi ama wasande ade no pa ye den ama me to no ye say me hwe kra no. Na me nim say ye den ya obesande ade na ma until say me can say on Sunday ade ne ma me a o kan say dabi on Sunday ade ne nya den ema me enti na me ka aka nyema ensema na ya tete e wo yasum ene Adom FM anopa me baaye owo bie eto ho
okay
callers ni bi ensema omo ye den omo de baaye ena me ka sa de be ya se e koso se na ye te no a en me ka disi su se de enti a me ka sa asem ne se me hwehwe se Ministry of Education and Local Government ebe partner
okay
obi ankotie ni nyina
yeah
na ya DCs MMDCs a delegate nipa ba ko bi amana ko akoka governing council no ho ewo senior high schools no mo di o mani adi akiri because ye ba na ye ka corruption na da bia na ya tag ne tu politicians but sa wo hwe public accounts committee hearing reports aye ba na wo hwe sika kese ne ba bi edi na nya politicians and this aye ka the rot be a perceived e ko so wo placement any admission and yet elected person appointed person na president na kwotana ho asem na ye den ye ka manfo a omo mu a omo hyehye mu a omo fa na say ye koko season na year by year omo didi ho enti se maban aba na me feel say what ye ya na ye make sure say ade na akoso a ya normalizing na ya fa na say abeye normal no
okay
you too as I think that men carbon
eti kwa wo no wo adanse ade kwa kochrom say
what was na make kachiro say nipa na ntenda adanse no
eti woni adanse
I said it on the show say nipa na ntenda adanse no but ya sama ye nyina ye dey ye tete
eti people eti onifacheme eti okọ na no omukọ akọ collaborate o no omukọ collaborate say o ko twon sem na akan no na assign
ma me nkọ na me nkọ hia me national security me pa chaw na me nkọ na me fa me no mu nkọ hia me ko ti asem on bebusa me asem na on bebusa me enu wanu yi a me wo na me de be dey me de be mama na
o me de can be self at least deputy minister Frewo me di so maybe self questions relating to Sankomo on national security be kwa akodi
dabi
wa mi sa question be relating
minister ebusa me say what say ma make a statement we na am so Bribery na me ye dey ye kan ye enye say we nko a no so o obesre me a say me wa dance anka memwa because ye nyina ye say say ye boa ya ban no ye boa my Ghana enti say enye say bia obetoto ma no
okay
e pe say wo hu we ni ana enye say national security no so e frame me no ye boneso
Okay.
But almost person who say, "Ebi ana mi obi a meti me di ayede aboa," because or say any similar issues. Or friend me catch me say issues ni bebree aba omo nimu amoyede omo gu so omo ye investigation because minister are interested. Say obetimi adile with the issues, you know.
Yeah.
Na yenya a very perfect system. Yenya perfect cry. Ye benya a good system a ebetimi aboa ma yenuanom enkwala na ye da ko school. Enti mi ko shia
o shia NDC ni bi no catch us say ompe party ni ye ompe aban ni ye. Na okuta such a vital information. And then na one found comma a minister that you are close with. A minister only ni members of parliament. Na de beto. E twa be ya no say.
Oh, ma mention say free baby obi be ka say mempe party ni.
Okay.
Me ye wo me join the party bi ada. NDC ni mapa. Me can say must spend more than half of my years.
Okay.
Serving the party. My branch youth organizer. Before 2008, maybe two abam.
Yeah.
You register me na me act as youth organizer on my branch. Men's also number 2.
Okay.
First and second round. Na me pooling agent. Ashanti region 2008. Ube ye pooling agent. Na nyasen ketwa. As 18 19 years. That age 18 19 years. Na me pooling agent. I was Ashanti region.
NDC.
Edema NDC. 19 years and I'm a propaganda secretary for the NDC.
Now communications.
Yes. Sabrina yenya Richard
Kwashiga na Solomon
Kansa Anita de Susu.
Yeah.
Na me a constituency propaganda secretary. Me feel ho ba be organizer. Constituency organizer.
Okay.
I be the secretary Mpensenpensenmu. I the presiding member for Dance South and any dubiase ye den ebumbo. My several party no free baby and warrior and said I'm a bedu. In fact, make call secretary twice, make call no post. 2020 make call parliamentary candidate, make call no post. 2024 make call no post. Winning a seat, we need that in our history. Me end this in mapa. Yeah, me ba mo show you me ba nkan every morning. And say who say bibi and ma criticize aban no say on na ye bibi.
Okay.
Even me can say Ghana for ye yama sa ne ma na ye dama nam so ma ye obi ko tie show ni nyina say ase ye pe sa ne ma na ye sa da na kra me san bo kokko say CAF military forms here were out.
Yeah. Ghana
forces ebi kra hase fi say protocol and ye talk ama bi ekra use MPs name ministers bi din me kan show no so ama me bo kokko say me obi use me din so oban me e bo mpanifo bi din say bi use omo din so oban omo enti obetima ma ya fa oba enti fa skabra mentua eno so me kan show no so because aban na e wo ho nde no ye nso so saa katahye ne proye no eso eno ma me kan omunko tie ni nyina no mo ye de obonka enti enya say obi no NDC nchen me NDC ahye manimonyam me kai say taba me ye politics do baby no ona bo apia kwabra apia penkra be first MP owoko nyame fa nyame mana hoden yes nyame mana hoden otimi frame o se me ofa so ha wo ho na sa wo pesa wo ye politics ko wani ma brandis MPP me hu ko fo be bra na o mutimi so me saka say oh o manage me wo pa say me sha bad the way me ye me politics no na akrofom pa de me ntimi nkom muru bibia so makọ manima ye DC nti be ya me join MPP enya seminar na ebetimi dey ato abontin but ye gina ya nam and up to date and I have never regretted.
Okay.
I never regret say me ye NDC ni and me hu asem so by pani bia ni wa frame me a wa attack me na wa ye me bibia no nobody has done that to me. And your party ye makwan mo obi a che na adwen
on a parliament for the Shewo Afrofom constituency Joseph Azuma ebe ma me na homra na so say we dey obi ka ho
why ma sorry be ya woni bi ye nyina ye adwen ba ko dey say mitimi kasa ma ye nyina na eko
be je ye dey wa ba esi ye dey trust Kwaba Enfamra bedwam twede so even
Agwezi
Ye kata no kresto na ye ma entro ne hene. Anase ye ha hene akasma ma entro aba be no kre.
You see, before meba honorable Azuma asem so ma me unze say benefo de bu be say ye suma nyansani na ye suma na montenten ana meboa meba no ebi mu di nsem bi hyema no na sama bisa ho asem a
Who bisa one?
oh me bisa honorable Azuma ebi no wo ya no bi mame
Oh, okay.
esan so wo ndi sabe
ya abamu nsem nti
abamu nsem side na akoye say maye penin bone
okay.
But me pese me share the boss say oye ma sorry by die
Okay.
na nyina ye papa ni papa yo kwachi ye moderator yi se no se o kan ye so ye press be penny mi so me press be penny pa
me dem me press be ba o menye penny
me dem ye ba ni penny pa ma suma asafo no e wo kwan bebre so
Okay.
okọ national security ma akoja no
Okoja national security.
Esanso me nya
It's a presbytery.
we church affair.
Okay.
In some nkofo no bi sai no in fact JT cluster of schools I ben me ba no nkwala mi am hia won o san say me kwa me ko Adom TV okay o say o bi school no this is the 5th week next week no we as the 6th week
Okay.
sanitary pad no embaye into mo bi sa say ya jai mana the tosu mienu maame no toko ko me junction so aja aliba me du hodon obis okache me say osre me da be na NDC Women's Bank no ye bia no no hie sika no de ahye ne dwuma no mu ena abrante bia o se ono de opese o ye online trading
Okay.
o se sa 1 million coded no a mo pese o mo training o mo no da be na forms no e ba abonten okay na last one no o se mbisa o se
Ubisa me.
na ho fe
erikeje so obisa me o
that udi na me amount
Okay.
What
you want to
into say me say
Bisame.
fe unya bema esqua
Okay.
erikeje
Okay.
no bisa ne say ejuma ra no
Okay.
ye lunch ye no akosi sen
O sa ku say.
onti hu nsem ye
Oh, almost
into onim
dia selecting.
ya selecting
Okay,
into
ya
bisa say
selecting
enu so iden
Okay.
akosi
It's
sen
no there quick.
na dia twato no
Okay.
o say brode ni nyama bo e ye den into ye mbisa ye wofa Erikopoku,
okay,
a potential presidential candidate for the NDC. Say feed Ghana no. Wado ni dan echi, wado echi nyina into open no ba do adua ho. Da ben no so eden. Ye lunch wie ye eno so akosi say. Nti we ye nsem a min constituency for ni bi hia me a ombisa.
Okay, for wait Erikaji mu de no. The akra me ni mo say because that day yeah no mo ye cohort training e de am no. Here in the media house, I have my opportunity to carry program live.
Okay.
So the woman say, "Omo select you omo." Here omo ni mo pon. They are now going through a second phase of training.
Okay.
Eti omo wia, enye obia na so mo kan, enye obia na benya sika.
Okay.
Ebi won mo hia akwankyere.
Okay.
Sene be ya sika ebe kan nsa, obetimi adada sika ne ye. Obi so de critical say wa enye sika no kra de a, ontimi kra anya ne ho hwe. Etuma group omo.
Okay.
And then you obian so na obenye sika from NEIP. Ebi benya emwa bi de free venture capital.
Okay.
It is after training no mo yede amom no. Omo wie a e no mechiche me won say, okay, Eben, wo benya wo de from NEIP. Azuma wo nya sika. Wo uko santete sei etufa koye adwuma. Akwase say wo so venture capital.
Okay.
Ana konya amwa. Etine wo e won.
Nti wo nse ne pa no ebo odin se me bisa specific to Erikaje no on say eye nti azuma de ne de and the ode
obekwa bisa no de ho no ye
oh me wa no ye wa
na wa kasa wo ko na kasa security
kasa wo dim sa so anya fa tu mi ke ye wi ana ka wo bisa me wo nchen wo bisa me mframa
me mpese
no so me wa no ye wo so ma me
ebia no de ye de obekọ yoku mi wi ana wa ansa
national security no enya ne bonus so
enya ne bonus so de wi ana wa ansa
enya ne bonus so
wi ana ya wa ansa
ebe yeko
Agwesi,
yeah,
I'm so much disappointed. So much disappointed in Omo kase menua bema Azuma. Wa beka asema ensese obeka. I'm not defending him.
okay,
But you see, it is high time say as politicians, we need to say the truth. Other than that, the trust and the belief that people have in us, it be few. Look, someone put or say your friends at 30,000. Me, I'll mention the school. Nipano, Accra girls. Accra girls. 7,000 Ghana cedis.
Accra girls.
Accra girls. Me no be call national security.
Obi an opa Accra.
Sometimes me akọ jawo no.
Oh, but minister so aka say. Oh, evidence. Fa boa o boy.
Let me tell you. Nipa no e wo gidi me. Let me use myself as an example.
Okay.
I have been a victim before. I have been a victim for national service posting. Obidi midin akọ jijin nkofo sika.
Okay.
Aman obako e confronting me. Misiano I say, oh, honorable. Na sana out here. Ma boa pa ma ye campaign ma win election. Me sanso ye wo agent. Na me financial service posting na. What Jimmy 5,000. Ma chase kanu so still ye postings ne ma me. Na me say me. Who this kanu ma wan? One ebeji is not born the pakuni din. Na me friend pakuni na me di two speaker. Na me say asimesi say what beji sika won ho. Say posters. Eyampa. Oh, no, say we are done and let me say, one first can money back on me at you. It is not the Ministry of Education. They have no hands. I'll be extremely surprised if anybody who says that the Ministry of Education have any hands in the school placement. I'm a former member of Parliament. Maybe I have a close relationship with Aruna. Maybe I'm a constituency B. Our issue. Wakoka chobi. Oh, me ni ebe fine. Me be command no amana ya ma. No dia ba. Oba on kan che me say obi Azuma na di ma no. Okay. Oh, honorable. Me wo pass bi o. Esa me ni relationship nti no. Na me so ma agit ma call minister we dem show. Me nko for me no we. Say ni. Ebia no akoji sika woni pa ko no ho. So at the end of the day no, because Atumia go through the intino. Yeah. He just jumped into conclusion say okutie sika na ede ye man no.
When actual fact
when sika na ye man no. When sika no enfama the ministry or anybody at the ministry to do the placement. But it's because of Obini Mobi, and I can tell you, look, whether you are an MP, whether you are a former MP, whether you are a minister, people will still be coming to you for assistance. Because they believe say where you are rich no, in one way or the other, no, you have the legs. Sure. Look, Mami come in child. Okay, see. Then I may call Honorable Aruna Idisu Ho, and I thank him for whatever he did for me. Me do not obi one in your office. Okay. Opie ye na hu ni pako no. Obese ni pako no off no. E na hu me. Oh, Honorable Nate, please come in. No dey me call. Na me ni ka so oji no friend PA no the man so help him to get this thing done for him.
Now kopem bi.
Me kopem bi. Okay. What I say? Because the panel say, oh, you have been in parliament with this person. Yeah. You even though your party is not in government, no, you have relationship. Okay. And now me catch you be say NDC MPP, same mother but different fathers.
Same mother
but different fathers.
Hey.
Oh yes. Because look, at the moment you enter parliament, and now I mean you can say all the 76 members of parliament, no, it's a bond in the war. So even if an NDC person is going for a primaries, and because of the relationship I have with her or him in parliament, no, you support the person. That kind of there was a time me share a former now MP for Bantama, Asenso. Okay. Asenso is very close with me, very, very close with me. But only Ochim Ekoko contest, no. Yeah. I was supporting Ochim against him. Ochim say, hey, Eben, now only Ochim Abuaji may he so rest in peace. 80 parliament in no, unsupportable supporter. Now me say chief, because he was then the deputy chief of staff. Yeah. Now me say chief, parliament say we are the Rahodia, ni akoye ebusia. That is how it is. So me, I don't see why the minister will even in his statement will say the member of parliament, Honorable Azuma, should assess national security to investigate this matter. I don't see the need. Because, look, if Nipano Anya, the zeal, One year the love, and I don't think he said this because he wanted to disgrace the party. But he said it because the party is in government and he doesn't want anything. Boni be a Bekafa party no. So they see it 8 years ago, no. So it's like you have exposed some wrongdoing that is going on, but not the government, but individuals who are doing this. And so therefore, I think, say, look, there should be a measure. You bet to me afa so that ko kaka you no the embassy. Now me can your status enjoy prime. Say, what do you mean by grade A school? And what do you mean by grade B school? And what do you mean by grade C school? Yesterday I was listening to Asempa, and one call I be free or say Sekwa, and I was I said Sekwa, yeah. Or say last 2023 omu topi senior high school friends results by omu topi. And I quite remember other 209 or 2010 the whole country or Dogono secondary school a topi. But because of the way you brainwashing people and categorizing the schools, grade A, grade B, grade C, that means no. I say Oko school, who's a Oko school no? Oh, your class 1A, class 1B, class 1C. Yeah. It means oh C, I just say wabon. Meanwhile, no, it's not because of the C now no. It's because of the number of students are a war no. 150 now and to me call one classroom. Yeah. So the classroom has been divided into 3. So it has been named A, B, C. It doesn't mean if you are a C, wabo. Look, I ask people, say, why do you think, say, people will take their awards to primary and JSS, but when they get to senior high school, they want to take them to government schools? It's because that is where the trained teachers are there. This thing that is going on about the Sekaji, look, me, I have a friend who is a teacher. And also, none sister, every and school. If I want to put it in place, no. Okay. So she need an assistant. I'm so so I find out as to how to be chair. Okay, tell me say Obi asenino list of your friends in schools. Grade A school 30,000. Grade B school 15,000. Grade school, let me say, I know then. Also, if he want to assess by, I'm saying really. Look, I saw on somebody's status. Maybe or say if you need passport, if you need birth cert, if you need driving license, visa, you know. Friend said, do you work at DVLA? Do you work at birth and death registry? It's because onimobi wo or do back a commando into the any business. And American so in this case, no, in this case, no, so maybe they are called DVLA. And I'm called birth and death that for 2 weeks, me kind. No, because any one day, then somebody will go and stand somewhere and say, oh, because you are saying a yama, and so because you make the normal process, no, yamami. Who do you blame? Who do you blame? You blame the institution? No. It is young Kasa. But it's creating all these problems among ourselves.
I didn't tina. Obintino or buy it me a man within a day. But me the process no. It's taking me about a week, 2 weeks, 1 month.
So that is where the problem is. And that is where we need to find out and deal with it. That is where the problem is. Because then I can ebima ko Q be say na me no ka say ebimu still ebimu nya school here.
Yeah.
And so obi enya the day I not call you now because he knows somebody in, I said I'm using myself. Yeah. And the medical it was not about school placement.
Okay.
It's about a different thing. But obi be kwa or the school placement and echo.
Okay.
Ebi or no it's not be kind. But I think that we should find a way. Look, you see, me call a tuam at Tamil school.
At Tamil school, okay.
Look,
secondary school.
From the way where they build a E-block school to the main street in our home, it will take you more than 2 hours.
Hey,
I won't lie to you.
2 hours.
It will take you more than 2 hours if you are walking from the way. So if the cook of any body facility, how will the people in that community and how they will be called to her? How the people get access? So me, that's why we're doing our time.
Okay.
I was pushing say all the school that started during President Mills John Mahama time, AU block, we should convert it to a boarding school.
Okay.
So that those in the community no can go to the
but I say Ebereza Nate. Honorable is my Yapon and Yapon Cha. No can now koi. Obekone.
Oh. Ma enye say national security for us beboa. And also what you are saying here.
Yeah, the Humbe but I say. But on for be as up a single room self-contained and a chamber hall self-contained or La Paz down Suma Newtown. Kokomlem Strada, we fear any agent as American. We fear now will be a friend or 0245 494 151 0245 494 151. Meaning the questions here, because they share Adom TV. Background.